To make a fall guide, you need a piece of square paper. I'm using a 15 times 15 centimeter one. First of all, fold the paper into 1/3, and it's a little bit difficult to find the 1/3 point. So what I do is I hold the paper up like this. You can use a ruler if you want to be accurate, but I think it's okay. I like it to be a little bit raw and rough. So roughly 1/3 like this. So it's in 3 equal parts. Then do the same horizontally, assuming this is vertically, and do the same horizontally. But to get a more accurate 1/3 measurement, one trick is to do a circle here, to do a triangle here. Once you have this triangle, basically this is 1/3. Okay, if you know math, you know what I mean. And then the other 1/3, just fold it back in. So now we have 9 square boxes here. Okay, make the crease more obvious, which will help you fold later on. Make the crease harder, more obvious. Okay, and these 2 creases is what we need. Okay, if you haven't done that before, now make that crease. And then we need another crease here, just for the bottom part of it. Here. Okay, this middle square, we need a diagonal in the middle square, and then another diagonal crease in the middle square. So you have a cross here in the middle. And then here we need a cross on this side and this square as well. What we do is we hold the paper like this in half. Now you got a cross on this square. The same for the other side. And you've got another cross. So we have a piece of square paper in 9 squares, and then at the bottom 3 squares you have 3 crosses. Okay, once you got this, now for the side, fold this to the 1/3 line, and then fold the other side to the other 1/3 line. Okay, so watch here. What we do is fold the paper in and then open it up here. Fold the other side in and then open it up. Okay, basically it's a strip like this. But what's important is we want to, okay, let me demonstrate again. So this one, hold a piece of paper here in, the other side hold it in, okay, like this. Then we need to fold this down, and it will be difficult, okay, to leave this here in the middle, and then press. What you have is a triangular shape here. Okay, this part will be the feet of it. Okay, let me show you how to do the feet. Okay, now we have it here, fold it in, Open it up, tuck it in. You'll have a triangle. The other side. See? Open. Like this. Alright. And then now here is the line. Here we fold the feet, the legs up. And then around randomly, whether you want it to be a long leg or a shorter one, doesn't matter. Around ½ centimeter. So here's the feet. And we want it to be a thinner one, so we open up here, press it down. Now, fold one part in. Open up here and press it down. This side the same. Close up. Open up. Okay. And then press it down like this. We'll have a thinner feet. See? The same to the other side. Open up and press it. On this side. Open up and then press it down. And then you have the feet. And you want it to stand. We fold this in. Can stand after you've completed the whole 4-guy folding. So this is the feet. So now for the head and the body, you remember in the middle, in the 1/3 part, you have a crease here. So we fold towards the 1/3 line here, like this. Open up. And then make another diagonal crease here, like this, and another one on the other side, like this. Okay, what we want is we open up this paper to get a bigger triangle. The same for this side. Open up. Fold it in, get a bigger triangle, and then we press it down here. Okay, now you have the hands, the arms and the hands here. What you do is you fold it in, fold it back out, like this. So we fold it in here completely. Fold it in here completely, like this. And then you fold it out, like this. And if you want the arms to be lower under the head, you do a fold like this. You press it here. And then fold it out. Okay, the other side, do it again. Okay, you fold it in completely. We're following this line, and then get a piece out. Alright, and then here, what you do is press here. Okay, following the line. And then fold it out like this. Now you have the arms and the hands under the head. And then I want it to be thinner, so I fold a bit in. Want it to be here, fold a bit in here. Okay, and then for the neck, and then a little bit here to make it more 3D in this way. Okay, and then the foreguard is round, so I make a round tag for it by folding this part in, by folding the corner in. And then here at the bottom as well. Here at the bottom. Okay. What is missing is a face, right? It's easy. Get a paper, white color or skin color. Okay. And then fold it into half and cut it. Like this. If you want to be more round, trim it. Okay, this is the face. Now, of course, the eyes. Okay, and then stick it. Now you have your foreguard character. Okay. For some of you, you may want to have the arms stretched out. Okay, what you do is very simple. If you want it to be stretched out, what you do is here. Okay, you remember here is where I cut it. So what you do is cut it here. Okay, and for the other side the same, you cut it here along the line. Okay, and then here you fold in for the other part, and then you move this in. Fold it in. Fold it like this. Yes. Same for this side. You already cut it open. Now, and then move it. Move this in. Okay. And then fold the round part. Move this in. Now you have your foreguard. And I like it to be round, so I will